Hello Brent, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for you for this beautiful 2008 Harley Davidson FLHTCUSE3, and that's the Touring. 48,803 kilometers, and the price is $16,488 plus the still licensing. This motorcycle is fully stock, lot of accessories. You got engine guards, you got fog lamps, brand new tires, and have a backrest for the rider, luggage rack on the back, CB, nice pipes, and it's very clean. This motorcycle is available at this time. If you want me to secure it, you can give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you for contacting us, and I hope I'll see you here.